Welcome to Smart Buys. Discover a collection of innovative, practical, and stylish home essentials, from smart storage and festive decor to creative tools and fun kids gear, each designed to simplify everyday living, enhance comfort and creativity. All products links in the description section below. Imagine cooking crispy fries or juicy chicken right on your countertop. No oil splatter, no toxins, just clean flavor in minutes. The glass air fryer makes healthy eating effortless, fitting neatly into any kitchen routine. Once you try it, mealtime might just become your new favorite moment. Turn any moment into a full-on experience with this powerhouse Bluetooth speaker. With 240 West peak sound, vibrant light sync, and 15 hours of non-stop play, it's built for fun anywhere. From chill nights to epic parties, just press play, feel the beat, and let the good vibes roll. Maximize packing and minimize stress with the Vacuum Seal Bag Backpack. Its built-in vacuum compression and multifunctional air pump shrink bulky items, while thoughtful compartments and durable, waterproof design keep travel organized and effortless. Pack smarter, travel lighter, and enjoy every journey with ease. Enjoy hot, homemade meals wherever life takes you with this cordless lunchbox. Its rechargeable battery, leak-proof design, and smart heating timer make eating on the go effortless. Perfect for busy workers, travelers, and outdoor lovers. Simply pack, set the time, and enjoy fresh warmth anytime. Keep your tech spotless with this all-in-one cleaning kit. From laptops to cameras and earbuds, its precision tools and soft brushes handle every detail safely. Compact and portable, it fits any workspace or bag, perfect for quick touch-ups or deep cleans whenever inspiration or dust strikes. Make every ride safer and smoother with this versatile car seat. Designed to grow with your child, it transitions from infant to toddler mode effortlessly. Lightweight, compact, and easy to install, it fits 3 across, keeping comfort, safety, and family convenience perfectly balanced wherever you go. Keep your kitchen fresh and organized with this elegant canister set. Made from thick borosilicate glass, these airtight jars store everything from coffee to pasta with ease. Stackable, reusable, and stylish, they save space, reduce waste, and bring a clean, modern touch to your countertops. Bring the fun of frozen drinks home with the Ninja Slushie. Using rapid chill technology, it turns your favorite beverages into smooth, icy creations, no ice needed. With preset programs and easy cleanup, it's perfect for parties, relaxing nights, or anytime you crave a cool, flavorful treat. Brew like a pro with the Ninja Espresso machine. Combining espresso, drip, and cold brew in one sleek design, it tailors every cup with smart barista assist, built-in grinder, and hands-free frothing. Fresh, flavorful coffee made simple. Your perfect cafe experience starts right at home. Step into the future of productivity with the smart laptop. Powered by advanced AI and the Snapdragon X Plus chip, it delivers speed, intelligence, and efficiency. With vivid visuals, long battery life, and smart features that learn your workflow, work, create, and play without limits. Simplify your sink space with this waterproof, dust-proof soap holder. Its smart drainage design keeps bars dry, clean, and lasting longer. Easy to install, no tools or drilling required. It sticks firmly on smooth surfaces, blending modern style with everyday convenience for your bathroom, kitchen, or laundry area. Stay organized and hydrated with this stylish bag tumbler holder. Designed to fit your 40 ounces bottle, essentials, and even a tablet, it's perfect for work, gym, or errands. With smart compartments and crossbody comfort, it keeps your day flowing effortlessly. Hydration meets everyday style. Transform any space into a serene retreat with the Candle Pink Sands. Its pearled wax lets you reshape and refresh your candle endlessly for a clean, eco-friendly glow. With long-lasting burn time and natural charm, it's a creative, sustainable way to add warmth and calm to your home. Unleash next-level performance with the ViperTech Reaper 3.0, powered by an AMD Ryzen 7 and our TX 5070 GPU. It's built for seamless 4K gaming, streaming, and creation. With our GB lighting, liquid cooling, and lightning-fast SSD storage power, style, and speed unite in one epic machine. Start every morning with perfect flavor using this coffee bean grinder. With 25 precise settings, digital controls, and anti-static technology, it delivers consistent, mess-free grinds for espresso or French press. Easy to clean and built for freshness, it's your daily upgrade to barista-quality coffee at home. Turn every drying session into a salon moment with the Revlon infrared hair dryer. Its gentle infrared heat and ionic technology lock and shine while taming frizz. With multiple settings and styling tools, you'll enjoy smooth, healthy hair that looks effortlessly flawless every time. Experience next-level freshness and innovation with the Samsung 29Q FT Ford or Smart Refrigerator. Its sleek French door design, frost-free system, and smart features combine advanced cooling technology with style, convenience, and energy efficiency for modern kitchens. Keep your space neat and organized with these durable clear storage bins. Perfect for small areas, they fit easily in closets or corners. Their semi-clear design lets you see contents instantly, while secure latches and sturdy plastic ensure lasting use for toys, makeup, or household items. Transform your movie nights and gaming sessions with immersive TV backlighting that syncs perfectly with your HDMI device. Experience vivid, lag-free color reactions that expand beyond the screen, creating a stunning cinematic glow. Setup is simple, just plug, sync, and enjoy next-level entertainment at home. Brew like a barista with the Ninja Espresso Coffee Grinder, a 3-in-1 powerhouse for espresso, drip, and cold brew. Featuring an integrated grinder, weight-based dosing, hands-free frothing, and barista assist technology, it delivers cafe-quality results effortlessly, every cup perfectly balanced and full of flavor. Breathe cleaner, fresher air with this advanced air purifier, featuring TO2 photocatalyst and UVC technology for powerful odor removal. It captures pet hair, filters pollutants, and monitors air quality in real time, quietly purify up to 540 feet squared with app and remote control convenience. Keep your kitchen perfectly organized with this 24-piece airtight storage container set. Featuring for versatile sizes, secure locking lids, and a sleek stackable design, it keeps ingredients like flour, pasta, and snacks fresh and visible. Includes labels and marker for easy identification and clutter-free pantry management. This toddler bike grows with your child, transforming from a tricycle to a balance bike for ages 2 to 4. Lightweight yet sturdy, it features a shock-absorbing carbon steel frame, silent EVA wheels, and adjustable height. Safe, non-toxic, and easy to assemble, perfect for confident, happy learning. This compression travel backpack expands from 30 liters to 45L, saving up to 80% space with its vacuum-sealed compartments. Ideal for 4 to 7 day trips, it includes a 17.3-inch laptop pocket, USB charging port, anti-theft design, and durable water-resistant material, perfect for efficient, organized travel. This retro-style electric bike blends 1960s cafe racer charm with modern power and technology. Featuring a 2000 West Peak 3800W motor, carbon fiber frame, 48 volts 30Ah removable battery, and 20 inches by 5.0 fat tires, it delivers smooth, fast, all-terrain performance with ultimate comfort and striking vintage appeal. Hosting just got easier with this stainless steel dish buffet set, perfect for parties, weddings, or family dinners. Its 6 QT capacity keeps food warm or cool with even heat circulation. Safe edges, sturdy build, and easy cleanup make entertaining effortless and elegant. Maximize your kitchen or cabinet space with these durable metal storage shelves. The stackable design lets you organize dishes, cups, and spices efficiently. Coated steel prevents scratches, while tool-free assembly makes setup quick and easy, perfect for tidy, space-saving organization anywhere. Bring festive charm home with this 7.5-foot Dunhill fir artificial Christmas tree. Crafted with hundreds of lifelike branch tips, it offers a full, natural look. The hinged design ensures easy setup and storage, while its sturdy, fire-resistant build guarantees years of joyful holiday celebrations. Keep your pantry effortlessly organized with these airtight glass food storage jars. Their clear, easy-grip design makes it simple to see and scoop your favorite snacks, spices, or grains. Perfect for keeping ingredients fresh, stylish, and always within reach. Kitchen storage made simple and elegant. Unleash your creativity with the Laserpicker LP to laser engraver. Compact, fast, and brilliantly precise. From wood to leather or coated metal, it transforms everyday items into personalized art. Perfect for DIY enthusiasts, makers, and professionals ready to elevate their craft with effortless customization. Thank you for joining us. Subscribe for more great home and kitchen finds. Give this video thumbs up and share your thought in the comments section below.